me llamo Bebechi.
¿Qué le pasa, Lupita?
It hit me like I know you, that was someone else.
Okay, we are here at the rest area. Oh, look at the moon. It's trembling because we gotta walk. We are on our way where, guys? Where are we going, chat?
To the strip club, boy.
Go see Bebechi. Whoa! 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 We just got here. It's 9:09. Rat being a peeping Tom.
I smell breakfast.
Hola. Hi. Bebechi. Hola. Hola. Good morning. Hi, Lily.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien. ¿Qué estás haciendo?
Y le quiero
¿Qué
repetir.
estás haciendo? ¿Quieres ese
Oh, he
bebé?
burped.
Did he?
Yeah, he
Dio mi más su rebozo, so she had to improvise. We have a bunch of little cute stuff for Bebechi. We got him his first boo basket, which I need to fix. And then some cute ass clothes that you guys will see right now. And then, yeah, they got him a bunch of books. We got him his first boo basket. We have cute clothes, ducky, bibs, a book. And yeah, they made him this hat to his name. And we got Bebechi his first boo basket. Mira tu canastita.
Mira tu canacita, papá.
And then Yadi made him this for the pumpkin patch.
No le va a quedar.
A ver, pónselo.
Yeah, stretch it out. I have to stretch it, yeah, because está bien cabezón.
A ver, a ver, a ver. Ya se anda durmiendo. Yes, okay, I did it for 3 to 6 months.
Le dije, Yadi está chiquita.
Ida. Stretch that shit on somebody's knee. I'll put that shit on my knee right now.
Le abrimos aquí.
Nomás para la foto, ¿sí?
Just cut it.
Jewish?
Oh yeah, I could be his Jewish.
Shit. Mira, Bebechi.
Mira,
You think
Wow, huh?
You think it'll fit him?
Yeah.
mira, bebé.
Hey, ¿está dormido?
Ya está.
Ya ve la.
Wait,
Mira.
I forgot about that.
The lemon pepper steppers.
Eso ya le quedan.
Esto ya le queda.
Sí.
Now he's a Mustang boy.
Hey, mira tu carrito. Your first toy.
No, it broke right now, the wing, because I had it in the bag.
Look at Bebechi's fit. Okay, who's ready to go cutest in the patch? That's right. That's right. Hey, show us what you got ready. A turkey leg. Okay, you're gonna taste test.
Yeah, but look at the video I just took. She looks hella quality. But I already taste tested it, but
Hey, let's see a big bite, big bite. Eat it next to Bebechi.
you guys see it. Let's try it.
Good? Wow, Bebechi eats with a little pumpkin hat. He looks like he went to Pelly. I know. Go, Wonks, try it first. Okay. Here, let me record me.
Okay, yeah, tell her.
Okay, so Lupita's gonna be trying the turkey leg.
One bite. Take it off.
Yeah. Hold on my hair.
It needs like dipping sauce, but it's still good. Hot as fuck. Look at Yanni salivating.
I'm not. Mom. Hey. I know mine.
Big bite, Yadi.
Hi, yeah, these are my girl. You know that I can do more damage.
I'm not trying to get my lips.
That's them.
Huh?
Okay, mama. Ahora, mando. Take a bite. It's just a little bite.
Take a bite, Juan.
Mom, just do it.
Take a bite, Lily.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? No, I got it.
Kobe. Sorry. Bomb, huh?
Hold this, the turkey leg, yeah, it's pretty good. Take a video of this.
Okay, ¿qué piensas de tu slush?
Muy rico.
What do you guys think? Yadi, what do you think? Rat trying to be aesthetic. We're gonna see a little show. Bomb. A Bebechi with his little Pelly hat. His little Paris hat. Mira quién es. Mira quién es. We got Nirvana playing. But we're here at the Big Pumpkins. The whole crew. Damn. Rat, pick it up. Pick it up and break your back. Damn, Mando, you're gonna be all hurt. I need a big chair. Okay, so we're here at the pumpkin patch.
Oh, no.
We're finding a cute spot to take bebechi a cute picture. So we're moving some of the pumpkins.
Honestly, this box is so cool. Like one of my favorites.
Trying to take a picture with the baby, we all whistling and shit. Ay, the little pumpkin. Damn.
¿Su cabeza? No.
Se va a caer. Damn, that's the Willy the Oompa Loompa. Hi.
I want a picture with you guys.
One of my favorite Green Day songs. Still alive. Voy a grabar. How they're getting down. So we went to this dessert shop and where's Reddy? I got this apple cake. I think that's what I got. Este es lo de Yadi. She got a scone. Mi ma got a big old apple pie. Here you go. And then Reddy, we got him his apple. Oh, he's over there. Has nuts, cream. Ah, his next victim. It's crazy.
Around my neighborhood.
Mom.
Look, I told you it was the green one.
Yo quiero probar tu pastel, mamá.
There's like a line.
This is bomb. Okay, what does everybody rate their dessert? 10 out of 10? 20. Hey. And that's how the cookie crumbles. And look at Route here eating a motherfucking glizzy over here and they ain't trying to give me none. Look, parece la Guada. Hold up. La Guadalupana, la Guadalupana, la Guadalupana baja here. Imagine. ¿Es una papa, mamá? So good, bebechi. I give it a 10 out of 10. Lily's here with more food. Okay, so we just got done eating our last meal. We are going home. ¿Estás lista por te llama?
Sí, ya, vámonos, ya me quiero ir.
She's tired, huh?
You better go in the pumpkin. You better get in the pumpkin, yeah. There. ¡Ay, qué bonito, bebé! ¡Ay! ¡Ay, qué bonita calabaza! All done the shower, yay! 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 Mira, yay, rock on!